Tired of guessing if your bolts are tight enough or too tight? With the best digital torque wrenches, you can say goodbye to guesswork and hello to precision. These cutting-edge tools not only make your repair jobs faster, but they also help prevent damage to parts from over-tightening. Whether you are working on your car, motorcycle, or home DIY project, the right torque wrench makes all the difference. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned. Let's get started. Number 5. Hairich Digital Torque Wrench. The Hairich Digital Torque Wrench offers solid performance at a budget-friendly price, making it a practical option for users who want a feature-rich tool without spending too much. Despite its modest cost, it comes with multiple high-end features, including a torque accuracy of plus or minus 2% and a range that extends to 100 foot-pounds. This wrench includes 5 measurement units, giving users the flexibility to work in whichever metric suits their needs. The LED screen is intuitive and allows you to switch between units with ease. Audible and visual alerts help indicate when the preset torque has been reached. A flashing light and clear buzzer let you know when you are approaching or hitting your target torque, even in loud environments. Track and peak modes are available, letting you either view torque live or see the highest torque value after completion. Number 4. GROWNEER Digital Torque Wrench. The GROWNEER Digital Torque Wrench is a well-rounded tool that brings together accuracy, versatility, and convenience for anyone serious about mechanical work. This model offers an accuracy of plus or minus 2% within a torque range of up to 99.6 foot-pounds. That level of precision is ideal for a wide range of tasks, from tightening engine bolts to delicate adjustments on motorcycles and bicycles. This wrench provides live torque readings through its real-time LED display. As you apply pressure, the screen updates instantly, helping you make on-the-fly adjustments. You can also rely on the buzzer and LED light alerts that indicate when you are approaching or have reached your preset torque. This prevents accidental over-tightening and boosts your overall confidence during use. Number 3. Surecup Digital Torque Wrench. The Surecup Digital Torque Wrench is designed for professionals who want high-end features in a tool that is also accessible to hobbyists. What sets this model apart is its impressive accuracy rating of plus or minus 1%, a level of precision not often seen in its category. This ensures your tightening jobs are not only precise but also repeatable over time, which is vital for tasks requiring strict torque specifications. One of the most impressive features is its comprehensive overload protection system. When the preset torque value is reached, the wrench gives off multiple alerts: a strong vibration, a flashing LED, and a loud buzzer. These multiple warnings provide clear feedback in any work setting, from bright garages to dimly lit workshops. You will always know exactly when to stop applying pressure, preventing accidental damage to fasteners. Number 2. SUZUM Digital Torque Wrench. The SUZUM Digital Torque Wrench is a powerful tool designed for serious users who require both precision and dependability. What immediately makes this model stand out is its ultra-tight accuracy tolerance of plus or minus 2%, backed by a rigorous testing process that includes 20,000 accuracy verifications. This alone puts it in a class above most options in its price range. The torque range goes up to nearly 100 foot-pounds, making it suitable for a wide array of applications from vehicle repairs to aerospace maintenance. This torque wrench features audible and visual alerts, so you always know when you are approaching or hitting your target torque. The green and red LED lights provide visual confirmation, while a beeping buzzer ensures you do not miss it in a noisy environment. These features help prevent over-tightening or under-tightening, which can lead to broken parts or unsafe equipment. It also includes both peak and track modes. Number 1. GROWNEER Digital Torque Wrench. If you are searching for a high-performance torque wrench without a premium price tag, the GROWNEER Digital Torque Wrench is an impressive contender. This tool combines functionality, precision, and comfort in one lightweight build, making it ideal for both professionals and casual users. It delivers torque readings with a high level of accuracy, plus or minus 2% clockwise and plus or minus 2.5% counterclockwise. That level of precision ensures that every fastener is tightened to the exact specification you need, which is especially important for automotive or bike maintenance. What sets GROWNEER apart is its real-time feedback features, including peak and trace modes. Be sure to check out the links in the description to grab the best deals on your favorite model.